Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 10 lines essay. In this video, I will write 10 3-letter vowel sound words. First A sound word is bag, second bat, third cap, fourth dam. First E sound word is bed, second beg, third get, fourth hen. First I sound word is bit, second dip, third fit, fourth him. First O sound word is dog, second dot, third dawn, fourth fog. First U sound word is bus, second cup, third cut, fourth fun. Fifth A sound word is fan, sixth jam, seventh man. Fifth E sound word is jet, sixth net, seventh pen. Fifth I sound word is hit, sixth lip, seventh pin. Fifth O sound word is fox, sixth hot, seventh hop. Fifth U sound word is gun, sixth jug, seventh run. Eighth A sound word is map, ninth pawn, 10th tap. Eighth E sound word is red, ninth 10, 10th yes. Eighth I sound word is sit, ninth tin, 10th win. Eighth O sound word is top, ninth jog, 10th god. Eighth U sound word is sun, ninth cub. Last one 10th one hut. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.